How do I change the privacy setting of my Facebook comments?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to adjust the privacy settings of your Facebook comments. This will help you control who can see your comments on Facebook, allowing you to maintain your privacy.
Why is privacy important?
Understanding privacy settings is crucial because it allows you to control who can see the information you share on Facebook. Especially when it comes to comments, you might not want everyone to see what you write. Adjusting these settings will help you manage your online footprint.
Understanding Facebook's privacy settings.
Facebook provides a range of privacy options for your content. When it comes to comments, the privacy settings are generally dependent on the privacy setting of the original post. Your comment's visibility will match the visibility of the post you're commenting on. So, if the post is public, your comment will also be public.
How to change comment privacy settings.
Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Find the post you've commented on or want to comment on. This could be on your timeline, a friend's timeline, a group, or a page. 2. Check the privacy setting of that post. You can do this by looking at the icon beside the post's date and time. If it's a globe, it's public. If it's 2 people, it's friends only. Other icons may indicate custom privacy settings. 3. Adjust your comment based on the post's privacy. If you want a more private comment, you might choose to comment on friends-only posts or send a private message instead of commenting on a public post. Remember, you can't change the privacy setting of a comment after it's been posted. If you've posted a comment on a public post and decide later that you want it to be more private, you will need to delete the comment and re-comment on a post with a more private setting. That's all about adjusting the privacy settings of your Facebook comments. Remember, your online privacy is important, and it's necessary to understand how these settings work to keep your content shared only with your intended audience. Hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to better navigate social media.